Hello, I'm Jody Fore and I created Fore Pets for CS50 Python. This is a game in which you need to take care of a pet of your choosing. Each pet is unique in what it eats and how it enjoys to spend time with you, but also requires you to keep it clean. Once you decide which pet you want, it will start to live its life. After some time, it will become dirty, hungry, or bored, and ask you to help it. You can then decide what to do to help your pet. In this case, I clean him. Once he is cleaned, he again lives his life. This time, I'm going to play with the cat because his fun is also low. The cat really loves to play a guessing game where you have to figure out his number. Each pet type has their own unique game that they enjoy. Once we are done playing, he lounges for a while. They also have their own image and game. The frog, for example, has a hangman-like game where he makes you guess a word that he's thinking of. Now, if your pet becomes too hungry, dirty, or bored, they will start to lose their health. If they lose all of their health, your pet will die and the game will be over.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, he's happy with us and meowed at us. Each pet also has their own unique sound. Finally, it's time to give our kitty some food. He really enjoys eating his fishies. Each pet has a different diet, and be warned, be careful of the T-Rex. Thank you for watching this video of my project for CS50 Python. My name is Jody Fore. I'm from Ocala, Florida in the United States in December of 2023, and this has been Fore Pets.